Hi, beautiful people. I just remember I have a microphone on my chest. Let me apologize in advance if it's windy or noisy. I'm sorry. But welcome back to my channel. My name is Roshelle. Today I have a fun one for you. So, I've been asked multiple times to do a tutorial. So today, I'm gonna finally give you the tutorial of the crisscross cornrows. I know some people say cornrows, some people say cane row, whatever you call it. The crisscross one that you saw on the thumbnail, that's the tutorial I'm gonna do. Yeah, so I already pre-sectioned it. Only my hair is still going through its growing phase. It's super windy, by the way. It is so windy. As you can see, I have my door open because it's so hot. The fan is on, but it's still hot. So I'm gonna do a quick tutorial. This shouldn't be long. It shouldn't take long. Of how to. I'm gonna try to be as thorough and with much clarity as possible so it's easy to understand. So like I said, I already sectioned the part that I'm gonna do. First thing, after you section, first you have to decide how you're gonna do it, because you can do it with one straight cornrow in the middle and then do the crisscross over that cornrow. You can use 1 or 2 cornrows. 3 is a kill. 3 is overkill. I've seen it with 3. It's overkill. Okay, I prefer it 1. I think 2 is even too much. So you can do it with 1 crisscross in the 1 straight cornrow in the middle. It is super windy. So like again, you can do it with just 1 straight one in the middle and then do the crisscross over it, or you can do it without. So I'm going to do the crisscross without the one in the middle, but I'm going to give you an idea what it should look like if you're putting one in the middle. So you section this already section piece, you give it 1 small section at the top, 1 below, and then the one in the middle is the one that you cornrow straight, and then you crisscross these 2. However, I'm not gonna do a middle one. Now for the sections of the crisscross, you can either part it down the middle, either vertically or horizontally. So you can part it down the middle that way, or you can start here. Either ways, you have to. By the way, let me apologize about the flakes in my hair. It's not dandruff. Let me tell you what happened. I used hair oil I don't normally use. This is the only one I use. And the reason this is the only one I use is because every single other oil I try, it flakes my hair. So my scalp gets really flaky. And I don't like that. This one, I didn't have it with me when I oiled my hair the last time, so I had to use what I had, and that's why it's so flaky right now. But anyways, I'm gonna go wash my hair, so I'm just doing the tutorial before I wash my hair. So once you get you need 4 sections. The reason I like to part it this way is so I can get the back section and the front section even. So once they're even, then I will do the middle part. I have to be precise with this because my parts have to be clean. Again, I apologize about the flakes in my hair. I promise you it's not dandruff. It's just the oil that I use. Flakes. Alright, so once you have your 4 sections like that, you keep the 2 you're going to use. The 2 you aren't using, you put them out of the way. So one at the top, one at the bottom first. So I like to start, if I'm cornrowing on this side, I like to start with this one first. So I'm going to put away this part, hold it down with a clip, and then I'm going to put away this part, hold it down with another clip. Some people have the ability to do the cornrows without holding these away, but if you're not that pro as yet, don't worry, put them away. Alright, so now you have these 2 sections left, one at the top, one at the bottom, one at the I don't know if it's right or left to me, since I am looking that way, you're facing me. What it might look like to you. So you can do front, top, or front, lower, and then it's going to feed into the back lower. If you do the front top, it feeds into the back lower. Front lower feeds into back top. So if you don't already know how to cornrow, you take 3 strands at the front, put your finger, some people cornrow on this side like that. If I do that, it won't be neat, and I like my hair neat. So I take 3 strands and I go under, take this one, release it, because it's now in this hand. Use this hand to hold the one that's loose, and then put it under, so it's an under method. This one is now loose, the other 2 are between my pointer, this finger, and my thumb. And then I take this one, and you just keep doing that and gathering the hair at the back until there is none left. So I can go as fast as I want or as slow as I want. So you do this section, this front upper part, until there's no more hair left. You give it a bit of plait out, just a bit, and then you bring it down to the lower back part, and you keep cornrowing. It's very simple. Hopefully my method that I'm showing you is easy to catch. So, and then you do that. And it's done. That part is done. You can either continue to plait the ends, or you can turn it into a twist. So where you had 3 strands, you divide one of the strands between the other 2 and you do a twist. Mine, I'm going to leave it like that because I'm going to take it out. I'm just doing it just to show you how to do it. Alright, next to the next sections that are left. My hair gets knotted so easily, real easily. I can just comb it out and then it's knotted again. Alright, so the way you do this, the top, the front top section to the back lower section, you're gonna do the same thing for the front lower section to the top back section. Cornrow in just the same. Again, you can use whatever cornrow technique is easier for you, and if you want me to teach you more cornrow techniques, I'll be more than happy to do that. Alright, so you bring this out till there's no more hair left. You plait it like once or twice, and then you go across the one that's already there, and then you keep cornrowing all the way to the back, to the end. Again, you finish plaiting it out if you want to, or you take one of the strands, divide it into 2 and share it among the other 2 strands, and you do a twist. You twist out. Again, for me, I'm leaving it like that because the sole purpose of me doing this is just to show you how. And voila, you have your crisscross braids. Very simple, it's not tight, and it's beautiful. So I can do it. I don't like doing my hair in large canes. Even this is too big for me. The partitions are too big. I don't normally like doing my hair big. The longer my hair is, the neater it is. The shorter it is, the more what you call these, that I have to deal with, and it's harder to make it look neat. So I have to keep my cornrows very small. I don't like doing cornrows big at all. I can, but I don't like it. So most of the times you'll see me, my cornrows will be very small because I like it. The next video you see will be, I think I'm gonna rope twist. I think I'm gonna rope twist my entire hair, because I'm gonna go take these braids out now so I can wash my hair. And then the next style you'll probably see is me rope twisting my entire head, because it's so hot and I don't want to have to leave it like this, because like I said, it gets knotted very easily. It's soft if you touch it, but it's so easily knotted. So I hope you like this tutorial. I hope it was very easy for you to understand. Try it on your own, try it on somebody else's if someone will allow you to, but it's not hard, and practice makes perfect. So if you want to learn how to do it, you just keep practicing. If you have another style you want me to show you how to do, you know where to find me. I'm in the comment section, and all my socials are available. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next video. Have a blessed one.